As if filling up your vehicle isn't painful enough, here it's really cold outside. And I get this. What's going on here? That's less than a gallon. The good news is the fix is simple on this vehicle. The evap canister is located underneath the driver's door area. Kind of get underneath the vehicle. In this section of the vehicle, you can see the evap vent canister. Take a look here at this hose. It's hanging down just a little bit. It has a giant kink in it. Check that out. You can see here, this hose actually goes all the way back to the filler neck. It's kind of secured in a couple places by some clamps. The way that Ford has this hose right here is very susceptible to slush, ice, road debris kicking up and dragging it back. And that's what causes this fuel filler neck vent hose to kink. So we have to reposition this, which is very easy to do. We can go ahead and unkink this hose and drag this whole assembly back in its little bracket holders here, and we'll be all set. All right, guys, so I got this thing fixed up. We're gonna go ahead and see how it goes here. And we should be filling up good. So we're running. Usually when it's empty, about a gallon and a half, this thing would start clicking and give us all kinds of issues. So hopefully we're gonna be in good shape. So if you're having trouble with your Ford truck, especially a transit van, always check this. It's a very easy thing to check. Not hard to do. You can just go ahead and check, make sure that vent pipe is not kinked or bent in any way, shape, or form, and you'll be in good shape. As you see here, we're not going click, click, click like we were before, so it's a good fix. Hey there, thanks a lot for taking the time to watch this video. If it helped you out because you got a Transit that's being hard to fill up, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. I'd appreciate that. If you're interested in more automotive diagnostic type of videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate the support. And if you really want to learn more about some basic electricity, picoscope, all kinds of automotive testing things, some programming, a little bit of locksmithing, all kinds of stuff, whatever I'm up to, be sure to check out the membership site at handsonautotraining.com. The link's in the description. Hey, you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.